Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best air impact wrench available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting with our first pick, Vever Air Impact Wrench. The Vever 1/2 inch impact wrench delivers an excellent balance of power, comfort, and practicality, making it a dependable choice for automotive repairs and heavy-duty fastening tasks. Weighing only 4.6 pounds, its lightweight and compact design minimizes hand fatigue during extended use while maintaining an impressive power-to-weight ratio for demanding jobs. The included lubrication adapter is a thoughtful addition that simplifies routine maintenance, helping keep the tool properly lubricated and extending its service life with minimal effort. Its 4-position forward/reverse and power management regulator provides precise torque control, allowing you to quickly switch operating modes and match the output to different applications, from tire changes to suspension work. The comprehensive accessory kit adds even greater value by ensuring you have the essential components needed to get started immediately. Combining durability, user-friendly controls, and reliable performance, this impact wrench is a practical investment for both DIY mechanics and professional technicians seeking consistent results. Next up, we have Soarfly Air Impact Wrench. The cordless impact wrench delivers an impressive combination of high torque, precision, and durability, making it an excellent choice for demanding automotive and mechanical tasks. Its powerful output easily breaks free rusted bolts, stubborn lug nuts, and tightly fastened hardware, making tire changes and vehicle maintenance on cars, trucks, SUVs, and RVs much faster and less physically demanding. The advanced brushless motor runs cooler, minimizes friction, and provides consistent performance while extending the tool's overall lifespan, making it reliable for both professional workshops and home garages. The addition of 3 speed modes and a stepless variable speed trigger gives outstanding control, allowing users to switch effortlessly between delicate fastening and maximum torque applications without risking over-tightening. Balanced power, efficient operation, and dependable fastening performance make this impact wrench a practical, versatile, and long-lasting tool for anyone who regularly handles automotive repairs or heavy-duty maintenance projects. Coming in at number 3, Rotake Air Impact Wrench. The Rotake 1/2 inch air impact wrench delivers an impressive balance of raw power, speed, and user comfort, making it a dependable choice for professional mechanics and serious DIY enthusiasts. With an outstanding 1,245 ft-lbs of maximum torque and an 8,600 revolutions per minute free speed, it easily tackles seized lug nuts, suspension bolts, and other stubborn fasteners without sacrificing efficiency. Its heavy-duty twin-hammer mechanism, paired with a durable aluminum gearbox, provides consistent impact force and long-lasting reliability even under demanding daily workloads. The convenient 3-speed forward settings allow for controlled fastening, while the full-power reverse mode quickly removes rusted or over-tightened hardware. Despite its high-performance output, the lightweight composite housing keeps fatigue to a minimum during extended use, and the ergonomic TP-Air grip offers excellent comfort and control. Now at number 4, Alban Air Impact Wrench. The Alban cordless impact wrench delivers an excellent balance of power, efficiency, and portability, making it a dependable choice for automotive repairs, tire changes, and heavy-duty fastening tasks. Its brushless motor generates up to 600 Nm, 450 ft-lbs, of forward torque and an impressive 800 Nm in reverse, providing the extra force needed to loosen stubborn, rusted, or over-tightened fasteners with ease. The dual speed settings offer precise control for both delicate and demanding applications, while the high 3,500 IPM impact rate and 2,400 revolutions per minute speed help complete jobs faster with less effort. Compared to brushed motors, the all-copper brushless design runs cooler, consumes less energy, and offers greater durability for long-term use. The included 4.0 lithium-ion battery provides extended runtime for uninterrupted work, and the fast charger restores a full charge in about 2 hours, ensuring minimal downtime on busy projects. And finally, our last pick, Trived Air Impact Wrench. This 1/2 inch air impact wrench combines outstanding power with a lightweight, ergonomic design, making it an excellent tool for professional mechanics and serious DIY users. Delivering up to 1,500 ft-lbs of working torque, it easily handles stubborn lug nuts, rusted bolts, and demanding automotive or industrial fastening tasks with consistent performance. Despite its impressive strength, The compact composite housing and low 4.73 pound weight significantly reduce user fatigue, allowing for comfortable operation during extended jobs. The ergonomic grip enhances control while minimizing strain on the wrists and hands, making repetitive tasks more manageable. With 3 forward speed settings reaching up to 8,000 revolutions per minute and 1 reverse speed, users can precisely adjust output for different applications, from delicate assembly work to high torque removal. The intuitive torque control knob adds convenience and accuracy, making this impact wrench a reliable, durable, and highly efficient choice for workshops, garages, and heavy-duty maintenance projects. So those were the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.